Hey everyone, we got a Square Golf update released, I think a couple days ago. It's August 27th today as I'm filming this. But I want to show you how to get that updated if for some reason you're not able to do so. And then we'll take a look and see what changes were actually made. So if you launch the app, it will give you this message. There's an updated version of the app. Go to the store to update the app. For some reason, it can be difficult to figure out where to update these things. So I clicked on US. You want to click on support, not software, and you'll be able to see all these different updates and downloads here. So this is just for the software itself. We're on a Windows PC, and for the iOS or Android, it's going to be a lot easier to update. But we'll hit download on Windows. We'll open this file. It is going to make a whole new shortcut. So we'll delete the other one later on as well. Okay, and it's going to launch the new app. Our device is updated and on. Another little update. And this is the same process pretty much if you get a new unit as well. You have to navigate over to that website. All right, that took about 90 seconds. Firmware update successful. We are now on version 1.2.0. The Real Club 1912 is new, and the Creek Golf Club is new. And as for the firmware update, improved battery status checking logic. Looks like that's it. And then app update displays. So you can view your scorecard by clicking on your name in the game and some Chinese support, and it says fix minor bugs. Don't know what that entails. I've seen some users on Facebook talking about how their spin axis seems to have been improved somehow. I haven't really had any issues with it. A few misreads here and there, but they're few and far between these days. We'll hit a few here just to see that nothing's out of the ordinary, but I don't see anything that really could have been changed. Awful strike. Good. Okay. Doesn't seem like anything out of the ordinary. This is the Creek Golf Club. Looks kind of nice. It kind of seems like the graphics improve slightly with each course. That's it for the update. Hopefully it's really easy to get everything updated for you, your firmware, your software, and we'll be back with some more playing videos later. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks, guys.